In this video, I'll explain what is a shadow, how to understand and work with your own shadow, why is it crucial to do so, and also how to be friends with your shadow to live to your fullest potential. To do that, we will be using writing exercises, visualizations, and of course, drawing, since you are on the Draw to Grow, a place where passionately explore how art can transform, heal, and make you grow. I'm recording this video in line with the solar eclipse, a perfect time for personal transformation, personal growth, and working with the shadow, since this is the time when moon partially or completely blocks the sunlight. The same way we have the shadow within ourselves that blocks our most creative, blooming, bright part of ourselves. So what is shadow? Shadow is all of the repressed, disowned parts of ourselves that we consider unacceptable, or we consider to be this part so good that there is no way it could be us. However, if we recognize those shadows and integrate them in ourselves, it can bring us the feeling of wholeness, self-awareness, and happiness. So that brings us to two different sorts of shadows. There is a golden shadow and a dark shadow. And today we will start working with a golden shadow first. So the golden shadow is our repressed and disowned traits, strengths, good qualities that we don't recognize in ourselves. However, when we see these qualities in others, usually like celebrities, fictional characters, or maybe like mentors, we admire them. Maybe you look at that person or celebrity and think they have so much talent, they express themselves effortlessly, they feel so worthy, but somehow you cannot afford all of those qualities in yourself. Or sometimes it could be the feeling of enviness. So what the golden shadow tells us is that anything we admire or envy is our higher self potential. So what we need to do is to recognize those qualities and own them back. So that brings us to the step one, which is write down all the qualities that you either admire in others or envy. Step number two. Now when you noticed all those qualities and wrote them down, we will move to our drawing exercise. The materials you'll need today are a drawing material of your choice, ideally pastels, oil pastels or colored pencils, one piece of paper sized A3 or A4, a pencil with a notebook, and a plate to draw a circle. So choose the colors that represent the qualities you listed and begin making marks, adding symbols or drawing objects that embody them. As you draw, allow yourself to fully step into the energy of your golden shadow, the qualities you admire so deeply. Imagine this radiant energy flowing through your hand, guiding your movements and filling this half of the circle. By the way, feel free to pause this video, because I'm not recording this in real time and you'll definitely need more time to explore this process. As you draw, imagine being this person you are mesmerized by. Let their energy move through you, through your hand. How does it feel? Can you notice any new sensation in your body? Maybe you feel more grounded, energized, or expanded. Are any new qualities or insights emerging as you apply colors, shapes, and textures of your golden shadow? When you've finished, make a note in your journal or a spreadsheet. So now look at your drawing and at your lists and think, when you already had those qualities within you. That could be something from your childhood. For example, you're staying on the stage, maybe it's just a few people or just your parents, but you feel like a center of attention, everybody is clapping, and you feel absolutely happy, you're shining. So maybe you already been that. God, what's happening? My light is doing shadow work for sure. All this helps us to reframe our mind and look at those qualities as not something external, but something that's already within you. And you already have all those resources. You just didn't have the access to them, but now you do. Well, kinda. Until we worked with our dark shadow. Keep watching this because you will be surprised how many goodies you'll find in the darkest place of yourself. I completely forgot to mention that I've attached a free PDF to this video with all of the information I say, and also the empty spreadsheets that you can print and fill at home. So grab it for yourself. So the dark shadow is all of the disowned, rejected, and feared parts of ourselves. To recognize your dark shadow, the easiest way is to find in your mind, find a person that you think, I will never be that person. Any other person, maybe yes. Any other qualities, even bad qualities, I can accept that they're okay, but those qualities and this person, never. I will never be that person. Perfect. This is the key to your dark shadow. The truth is, this is your deeply hidden parts of yourself that you cannot allow yourself to feel and to recognize. But the reality is, the more we avoid or repress things, the more they come up on the surface. So for example, if you repress aggression, then you will meet the aggressive people all the time. There is every single quality in us, yes, in different proportions, but every single quality is in us. Every single quality is in the universe, and this is the balance. This is how it should be. We have to be everything. And every bad quality that's considered bad could be actually a good one. For example, the aggression could be healthy boundaries. So step number one, the same one as with the golden shadow, write down all the qualities that you reject, hate in others, qualities that irritate you in other people, that you completely don't recognize as part of yourself, and you think, I'll never be that person. Anything that triggers a very strong emotional reaction. And now let's express everything through the drawing. Pick the colors that symbolize the unwanted and feared qualities you listed. Allow yourself to fully feel this raw, dark energy, at least for once. Let your hand fill this half of the circle with colors, textures, or marks that express it. If you feel resistance, that's okay. Just remind yourself, this is a safe space. It's just an image. You're allowed to feel this energy even if it seems wrong at first. As you draw, imagine being the person who irritates you the most. Let the energy move through your hand. Just keep drawing, keep feeling. Apply colors, shapes, and textures that truly feel like this dark shadow energy. Pause for a moment and notice what's good about embodying those qualities. What strengths or advantages come from experiencing them? When you're finished, make a note in your journal or a spreadsheet. I personally struggled to use the darkest colors until the very end, but when I finally did, I actually felt incredible. I felt brave, free, and even liked what was emerging. So I think we need to learn to use these darker energies, to see them as neutral or even positive. Look at your drawing, look at your qualities, and think of the time in your childhood or just in the past where you already experienced being that person, or you already had these qualities in you. You know, even as a child, you can have done something intentionally bad, felt guilty, felt ashamed, or you had aggression towards someone, but then it was cut by your parents saying you can't be aggressive. So then the healthy aggression is cut and the bad aggression is cut. Or maybe it's something recently. That would work too. For example, my trigger is loudly eating people. I don't know what is it with eating people. Then try to imagine yourself behind the closed door, sitting in your dirty clothes, loudly eating trash. As soon as you see that this is not just external qualities, but they're inside you, your emotional reaction should lower down. And if you feel neutral about this person or those qualities, that means the qualities were integrated in a healthy way. So how are you feeling right now? What was more difficult for you to draw? Was it the golden shadow or the dark shadow? Please let me know in comments. And if you feel brave enough to share which hidden parts of you have been uncovered today, please do. By the way, I have other videos where I also use art as a psychological tool. The work we have done today is profound. It's actually not just writing some lists, doing some drawings. It's a very deep, profound work. By writing down all the qualities of our shadow, by experiencing them in our bodies, by drawing them and lifting them from our subconscious level, and finally integrating them, you, let in all the new resources that actually have always been inside you, and now you can use them to live to your fullest potential, to be the creator of your life, to go do something that you always feared to do, and not to apologize for doing that. So good luck with that, and I'll see you another time. Bye bye.